Programming can seem like a daunting task, a bit like trying to decipher an ancient language. But what if I told you there's a language out there that's known for its readability and simplicity? Welcome to the world of Python. Python is a powerful tool used for everything from building websites to analyzing data. And the best part is, it's surprisingly easy to learn. Whether you're a complete beginner or have dabbled in other programming languages, Python welcomes you with open arms. In this essay, we'll embark on a journey to demystify Python and equip you with the basic knowledge to start writing your own code. We'll explore what Python is, why it's so popular, and how to get it up and running on your computer. So buckle up and get ready to dive into the exciting world of Python programming. Python is a high-level programming language. Don't let the term high-level intimidate you. It simply means that Python is designed to be human-readable and easy to understand. This makes it a great language for beginners. One of the key reasons for Python's popularity is its versatility. It's like a Swiss Army knife of programming languages. You can use Python for a wide range of tasks. These tasks include web development, data analysis, machine learning, scripting, and more. Another thing that sets Python apart is its strong community support. There's a vast network of Python enthusiasts of all skill levels. They are always ready to help and share their knowledge. This makes the learning process much smoother and more enjoyable. With its clear syntax, versatility, and supportive community, Python empowers you to bring your ideas to life through code. Let's move on to getting Python set up on your computer. Before we can start writing Python code, we need to set up a space for it on your computer. This involves installing Python and ensuring it's properly configured. The first step is to download the latest version of Python from the official Python website. Look for the download link that matches your operating system, whether it's Windows, macOS, or Linux. Once the download is complete, run the installer. Pay close attention to the installation options. Make sure to check the box that says, Add Python to Path. This crucial step allows you to run Python commands from anywhere on your computer. After the installation is finished, you need to verify that Python is installed correctly. Open up your command prompt or terminal. Type and press enter. If you see the Python version number displayed, congratulations, you're good to go. Now that Python is installed, we can explore the different ways to run Python code. There are several ways to run Python code, each with its advantages depending on your task. Let's look at three common methods: the REPL, Python scripts, and integrated development environments, or IDEs. The REPL, which stands for Read Eval Print Loop, is an interactive way to experiment with Python code. You can access it by simply typing in your command prompt or terminal and pressing enter. The REPL lets you type in Python code line by line and see the results immediately. It's a great tool for learning and testing small snippets of code. For larger programs, it's more practical to write your code in a Python script. A Python script is simply a text file with the extension that contains your Python code. You can create and edit these files using any text editor. To run a Python script, you use the command in your command prompt or terminal, replacing with the actual name of your script file. Lastly, integrated development environments, or IDEs, provide a comprehensive environment for writing, running, and debugging Python code. They offer features like code highlighting, auto-completion, and debugging tools that can significantly boost your productivity. Some popular Python IDEs include Idle, which comes bundled with Python, PyCharm, VS Code, and Atom. Now that you know how to run Python code, let's write your first Python program. Section 5. Your first Python program. Traditionally, the first program you write in any new programming language is a simple one that displays the message, Hello World. Let's follow this tradition with Python. Open up your preferred method of running Python code, whether it's the REPL, a script, or an IDE. Type in the following line of code, Python print, Hello World. This single line of code is all it takes to display the message Hello World on your screen. Let's break it down. Is a built-in Python function that displays whatever is inside the parentheses. Is a string of text that we want to display. If you're using the REPL, you'll see the output immediately after pressing enter. If you're using a script, save the file and then run it using the command. Congratulations! You've just written and executed your first Python program. Section 6. Python does the math. Python excels at performing mathematical operations, making it a powerful tool for calculations. Let's explore some basic arithmetic operations in Python. You can use Python as a calculator to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. For example, you can write print 2 plus 3, hash, addition print 5 minus 1, hash subtraction print 2 times 4, hash multiplication print 10 divided by 2, hash division. Python follows the standard order of operations, also known as PEMDAS or BODMAS, but you can use parentheses to control the order of evaluation. For instance, print 3 plus 2 times 4, hash multiplication before addition print 3 plus 2 times 4, hash, addition inside parentheses. First, Python also supports the modulo operator, which gives you the remainder of a division. For example, print 10 modulo 3, hash output 1, the remainder of 10 divided by 3. These basic arithmetic operations form the foundation of more complex mathematical calculations in Python. Section 7. Variables, your data's home. In programming, variables act as containers for storing data. Think of them as labeled boxes where you can put information for later use. To create a variable in Python, you simply choose a name for it and use the assignment operator to assign a value to it. For example, message equals, hello there, age equals 25, price equals 19.99. In these examples, we've created 3 variables, and each storing different types of data. Python is dynamically typed, meaning you don't have to explicitly declare the data type of a variable. Python infers it from the assigned value. Python supports several built-in data types, including integers, whole numbers like 10, -5, 0 floats, numbers with decimal points like 3.14, -2.5 strings, sequences of characters enclosed in single or double quotes like hello. Python booleans represent truth values, either or. You can perform operations on variables just like you did with raw values. You can also update the value of a variable by assigning it a new value. Variables make your code more organized, readable, and reusable. Section 8. Talking to your program. Interactive programs often need to take input from the user. Python makes it easy to get information from the user with the function. The function pauses the program and waits for the user to type something and press enter. Whatever the user types is then stored as a string. Here's an example. Name equals input, what's your name? Print, hello, plus name plus. This program first prompts the user to enter their name. Then it greets them using their input. Keep in mind that the function always returns a string, even if the user enters a number. If you need to work with numerical input, you'll need to convert the string to an integer using or a float using. For example, age equals input, how old are you? Print, you'll be age plus 1 next year. By taking user input, you can create more dynamic and engaging Python programs. Section 9. Keep the Python fire burning. Congratulations on reaching the end of this introductory journey into the world of Python programming. We've covered a lot of ground, from understanding what Python is, and why it's so popular, to installing Python, running code, writing a simple program, performing arithmetic operations, working with variables, and even taking user input. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. Python has so much more to offer, and the possibilities for what you can create are endless. Here are some avenues to continue your Python exploration. Practice, practice, practice. The more you code, the more comfortable you'll become with Python's syntax and concepts. Explore Python's vast libraries. Libraries are pre-written collections of code that can save you time and effort. Join the Python community, connect with fellow Python enthusiasts, ask questions, and share your knowledge. Build something. The best way to learn is by doing. Start with small projects and gradually challenge yourself with more complex ones. Remember, learning to code is a journey, not a race. Embrace the challenges and celebrate your victories along the way. Keep that Python fire burning, and who knows what incredible things you'll create.